This is part 3 because I hit the wrong button. I'm so sorry for this low quality series, but I'm trying my best, guys. I'm sorry. But hopefully y'all get some enjoyment out of it. I'm just really sucky on the video camera editing today. Got you all mounted on the motor itself there. So sorry for the noise. Here we go. Hopefully I don't burn through, but we're gonna see. Amateur welding, so don't judge too hard, please. It's probably only like the, oh no, probably like the 20th weld I've ever done in my life, so. Not teabag. Not teabag at all, really. I'm actually quite impressed with myself there. Y'all probably don't think it's that good, but that's pretty good for me. One thing I need to practice on is starting the weld. You see, I really screwed it up there. Oh well, no biggie. Good at ending it though. Got a little sloppy with this one. It's still not too bad, I guess. Yeah, it'll hold some at least. So now we got them both welded out. Looks like we got okay penetration on both of them too. Now it's just time to score this and this. And then we'll weld it and then we'll almost be done. Let me repeat that. We'll be done. Got those, focus. Got those scored, ready to be bent. And now it's just a race for the rain. Gosh, I hope it don't rain. I actually scored it deeper this time. Can't get too scared. But I was actually able to bend it with my hand, and I'm more impressed with that result. Time to weld it. Here we go. Hopefully I don't mess this one up. Of course, I'm not a welder, but however good you get at welding, you're never guaranteed a good weld. You gotta always pay attention to what you're doing. This looks like. Not too bad, not too bad. I'm out of breath. Wasn't so easy to bend that one, but here we go. Load her up. Hopefully the video doesn't turn off. I apologize. There you go. see how this turned out. It's alright. Okay, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is a grinder holder. It took me, I've probably been out here about an hour doing this. But, yeah. Let's see if it's not too hot, so. Anyways, so you get the idea. All you do is you mount this to your workbench, which I can't show you right now because it's still blistering hot, obviously. I just got done welding. But, see? I think that'll hold a grinder or two. In any words, and also it's nice to have a bevel here, just, you know, so your grinders slip in easier. So I just go just like that, and the grinders will just hang right on it.